to this session of GE 8291 Environmental Science and Engineering. And it's the continuation of the second video in the series of videos for Environmental Science and Engineering. And today's topic of discussion is continuation of chapter 1. After finishing this video, you will be able to appreciate of being an environmental entrepreneur and the value of green marketing and green products and business ventures available for other engineering majors, green technologies and green marketing jobs. Business ventures will be dealt separately on another video also for people who are interested in green jobs and green entrepreneurship. Private sector companies and business venture people are also the backbone of a country's economy and job providers in a country such as India. With an overwhelming population, entrepreneurs are creative people with significant technological backgrounds and education that include engineering streams, and they turn their ideas into a growing business. A great example of one such entrepreneurial company is Microsoft Corporation, was a minimum investment company based on two software developers, Bill Gates and Paul Allen, the chairman and the vice chairman and founders of the company. Just as entrepreneurs, the word greenpreneurs is also gaining a buzzing traction with escalating environmental issues. Waste recycling and green products form the basis of various industries, and scientists and engineers' creative ideas give a solution to a goal of achieving a zero waste environment. The success mantra of these creative people is to convert waste, trash into a thriving business and money, or in the production of a biodegradable product. Development and business ventures with good money returns, yet these creative heads achieve a cleaner and greener world out of their business strategies. So if you do have an idea of self-employment in the form of business in the field of environmental science and engineering, stop waiting and get to study and gain knowledge in the field of environmental science and engineering. And shape yourself with your education and knowledge, and you could be an inventor of another product or recycle waste to achieve a closed loop system to curtail pollution in various forms. You could always be a small piece in a building a stronger, cleaner, environmentally friendly, sustainable earth. Our next topic of discussion goes into the green tech market to understand the green marketing companies, products and the ideas from which they come alive, and how your knowledge of environmental science and engineering forms the basis of the green market revolution. Green marketing and markets are gaining traction as our natural resources are depleting at an exorbitant rate. Skilled manpower headed by technically creative and supervising brains are needed to establish green marketing. Now let us see some examples and gain startup ideas in the field of green marketing. The single-use plastic wrap are needed to be urgently replaced due to its non-compostability, making it an injurious product to the health of the environment. Thus, an Australian independent grocer, Rex Supermarket, partnered with IG Fresh Produce and Packaging Company that concentrates on making fresh produce and packaging products. IG Fresh in turn partnered with a South Australia-based, Adelaide-based manufacturer known as BioBag World, Australia, to manufacture a bio-wrap film that was 100% compostable. The bio-wrap took 12 months to develop. The bioplastic wrap was made from Novamon's Matter-Bite compostable resin that contains substances from plants including non-genetically modified cornstarch. Matter-Bite is 100% industrially compostable and can also be discarded in home gardens. The team behind it sees as a direct replacement for a wide variety of single-use plastics. Countries including South Africa and Qatar have already expressed interest in the heat-shrunk bioplastic distribution plans. Distribution plans include expanding into the United States and other countries. Development of compostable wrap is focusing on a non-shrink that could replace traditional cling bags. To understand about the Novamon's Matter-Bite product characteristics, chemistry, and company's patents details, a separate video has been compiled and provided in the playlist Green Marketing. The takeaway from this case study is fully compostable materials are becoming more valued as the general public begins to better understand the difference between biodegradable and compostable. Innovations in material sciences are helping to reduce pollution and increase supply chain sustainability across a wide range of industries. Businesses as diverse as construction and fashion are beginning to make more use of compositing and compostable bioproducts, helping increase carbon neutrality across processes and areas of work. Shoes made to be remade. You would wonder what Adidas, the second giant manufacturer of global sportswear, is up to in the making of Futurecraft Loop shoes. Adidas makes 400 million pairs of shoes every year. Manufacturing that many shoes requires a lot of resources, but constantly creating a new material isn't that great for the environment. So Adidas is turning to a different source. A research study has found that the creation of one normal sneakers pair generates 14 kilograms of carbon dioxide emission, and 26 different materials are used in making it hard for recycling a normal sneakers pair. Adidas seems to have found a solution to it by using only one material, that is thermoplastic polyurethane terephthalate, commonly known as PET.